In this video, I'll show you how to tap to pay with Cash App on an iPhone. First, you need to make sure your Cash App card is linked to your Apple Wallet. To do this, open the Cash App, tap the card icon at the bottom of the screen, and select Add to Apple Pay. Follow the prompts carefully until you see confirmation that your card has been successfully added. Linking your Cash App card to Apple Wallet is essential because it allows you to make fast and secure contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Once your card is linked, using Tap Pay is straightforward. When you're ready to pay in a store, look for the contactless payment symbol on the payment terminal. This symbol looks like a sideways Wi-Fi icon and indicates that the terminal accepts contactless payments. Open your Apple Wallet on your iPhone, and if your Cash App card is not already set as the default, select it manually. On iPhone, simply double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. Next, hold the back of your iPhone close to the payment terminal until you feel a vibration or hear a beep. This is your phone confirming that the transaction has gone through successfully. You might also see a check mark appear on your screen, showing that the payment has been processed. The transaction amount will automatically be charged to your Cash App balance or linked bank account. For a smoother experience in the future, you can set your Cash App card as the default payment method in Apple Wallet. Tap on your Cash App card, scroll down, and select Set as Default Card. This ensures that every time you use Tap Pay, your Cash App card will be automatically selected, saving you time and effort at checkout. And that's how to tap to pay with Cash App on an iPhone. Once your card is linked and ready, you can enjoy quick, secure, and convenient payments anytime Apple Pay is accepted.